What's up, what's up? I'm Ceech. Today we'll be learning a locking routine with me and my Derby brothers.
Okay guys, the routine has 4 8 counts. This track is set to 135 beats per minute. After watching this routine, stick around. Learn the choreography.
Welcome to the breakdown section of this locking first 8 count. So check it out. First thing we're gonna do is the Leo walk. I'm gonna put a link up in one of these corners. And what you're gonna do is, if you haven't seen the Leo walk, there's a breakdown for the Leo walk. However, I'm gonna do what I can right now. If you wanna specifically train the Leo walk, go to that video. Okay, so first we're gonna start with our legs together, okay? So you got and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So mostly I want you to focus on the legs, all right? One more time, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 8. Notice the arms. What I'm doing with the arms with my hands, it's almost like I'm picking up my knee and I'm pushing it over to the other side, okay? So I'm going and 1, and then and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Keep it here, and 8. And we hold it down. Simple as that. All right, let's give it a try. 5, 6, 7. And 1, and 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good. That's our first 8 count. Here we go, we're breaking down the second 8 count, okay? So, before we left you off right here, we have 7 and 8, 7 and 8 with this hand, 7 and 8. Now, watch what I'm doing. I'm gonna stop at the 4, okay? You have 1 and 2 and 3, and then 4. Okay, I want you to now focus on the legs. Legs are going like this, 1 and 2, okay? And then you're gonna go 3. 3 right there. Okay, start over on the 1. So right on the 1, notice when I'm jumping here, boom, my body's still centered. I'm not jumping to the right or the left. Okay, jumping right to the middle. However, my right leg is coming right underneath me to catch my balance. And also notice that my body's low. Because I'm already low right here, and all I'm doing is, boom, switching right here. Okay? So don't go like this. Don't jump straight up. That's gonna throw you off. Stay right here. You have the 1 and, okay, 2 right here, and then exaggerate the knee on the 3, okay. I kind of lean forward on the 3. That's what the body and the legs are doing. One more time. Focus on the body and the legs. And again, this is your first time watching. Just watch it all the way through. You might have to rewind it again, second time, then cast this on a TV so that you could do along with me, okay. So get a good, clear mental picture of what we're doing here. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3. Okay. If you don't have that, rewind it. That's all right. Now I'm going to move on to the arms. All right. So the arm goes 1 and 2 and 3. What is it doing? On the 1, I'm pacing. Okay. Double hand pace. 7, 8. 1 and 2. 2 is a twirl. All these have been broken down into previous lessons, all right? So if you don't know what the pacing is, look in the description below. You could just focus strictly on the pacing or the wrist twirl, or all the other stuff. So check it out on the description below. Now, assuming you have it all together, this is what we're putting into choreography, right? So 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3. Go right to the point, right? Twirl to the point. And we've done that before. So let's put it together, legs and arm at the same time with the body. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 4, that's the neck movement. And again, that's part of our body movement fundamental series. Everything's broken down for you guys, so here we go. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Next part is easy because we're just holding the 5, okay? This is 4. I'm going to back it up. Look at the 4. I said this is 3, this is 4. Hold the 5. Come up again on the 6. And then 7 and 8, it's twirl and then lock. And again, that's in our locking tutorial. Okay, let's put that together. the whole second half or second 8 count. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7 and 8. And what I'm doing is the back leg comes forward. Okay. All right. So that is that portion. Back leg come forward. Now, if we're in a routine, the other person could go front leg comes back. So that gives a little bit more of a depth. So not everybody's on line. Okay. So for the choreographers out there, it's your option to do whatever you want to do. One more time. Let's review. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7 and 8. All right. Moving forward, third 8 count. Let's break this down. Last time we left you, we're down here. We're gonna go right into the scubat. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a little bit different from the original scubat, so watch it real closely. I'm gonna stop at the 4, okay? We're gonna stop at the 4, then we're gonna do the 5, 6, 7, 8 later. So we have 8 right here. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, focus on the legs. 7. So here's 8. This is my left leg. I'm gonna go out 1 and 2, and then come in on 3, 4. Legs itself pretty simple, but let's go through it one more time. So 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Good. Focus on the arms now. And again, for those that don't have the scubat, check out the link in the description below. Study the scubat. This is a variations of it, so it's not entirely the same, but it starts the same. So here we go. Arms 1 and 2. From here, you're gonna go and 3. Notice my arms is crossed. So for here, I go 1 and 2. My right arm is in front of the left. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it up to the front right here, or bring it up close to me, and I'm gonna bring it down and exchange it. Now the left arm is in the front, okay? So the count goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3. By 3, I'm here. Now I'm gonna come around 3 and, here's another twirl, and 4. Come up on the 4, all right? So, a little bit faster with the arms. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, one more time. Do it with me if you can, or mentally, visually imagine you're doing it with me. But if you're watching this for the second or third time, physically do it with me. Here we go. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, the hard part is putting the arms and the legs together. Let's go a little bit slower. And it helps if you count with me, all right? So 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, that's a little bit more tricky, but try it again. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Last time, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Hopefully you got that. If you haven't, moving on forward. From here, it's like a version of the stop and go. You're going to go 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. That's a little bit of a hip hop crisscross right there. Let me face front so you guys see what I'm talking about, okay? So we finished 4 right here. This is my 4. 4, 5 and, I'm coming up 5 and then I'm going 6 and. This is dipping down on 6 and then right leg in the front, 7 and 8. Right leg and end with the left, okay? So let's try a little bit faster, starting on 4. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Just like that. So, break it down from the 1. Here we go. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? Easy peasy, yeah? One more time. 7, 8, 1, and 2. I messed up. I'm going to keep this in there too, because some of you probably messed up too doing the regular scubat. Here we go. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. There we go. That's the 30 count. All right, we made it to the last 8 count. So for those of you who stuck around, congratulations. This is the 4th 8 count. We finished off with boom, boom, boom. So our right foot is in the front. This is just a regular kickball change. You're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, real simple. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Notice the slight difference. It's more of a, it looks very cool in the sense that it's not really hoppy, but there is a slight, like a smoothness to it. So when I do this, you see how, if you look at my bottom leg, this is my left leg, I'm not hopping, but I am going to my tiptoe. I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, all right? So 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 is right here. I'm gonna jump, right leg in front. This is a heel toe turn. 5, spin around. 6, okay, get back. I could get back facing the front, or I could get back facing this. It doesn't really matter, because the next one, I'm gonna hit poses. I'm gonna go pose, pose. So whatever pose you wanna do, that's fine. You could do a high, low, low, high, but make those poses big. So you don't wanna be posing here and then posing here. You know, like it's too small. I want you to try to make it big here and then down here. So those are the poses that I want you guys to try to do. And the key idea with sticking the poses, try to be perfectly on beat because it looks cool. All right? So let's put the last 8 count together. We ended with left leg in the front, kick with the right, kickball change. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Spin around. 6, 7, 8, something like that. I know I just said make your pose big and I made it kind of small, but that's all right. You guys get the idea, all right? So going back to the kickball change though, what's the arm doing, right? My arms aren't down here, so it's more like here. Here. It's like, chill, man, chill, okay? So it's like, right there. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay? I could go 7 and 8, or I could go boom, back, okay? Cool, that was our last breakdown. So study each 8 count carefully, make sure you get them down together, and then slowly, learn these in chunks, and then put them all together. You can do the whole thing with me. All right, guys, have fun. See you soon.